Thanks for coming back and checking out my second challenge lock video. This one's called RedRum and it's pinned by Matt G. So I don't know if that's Matt Graziano or not, but it's I think it's been pinned in 2018. Can't really yeah. So let's see how we go. It's an ISEO Euro. It's a little bit notchy. I think that's not the key. I think that's the circlip at the back. Oh, maybe not. Bit hit and miss with the, oh, there we go. Bit hit and miss with the key. But let's see how we go. Need the bit in. Yeah, heavy pry bar is going to be way too big. That might be okay. There we go, that weren't too bad. Couple of minutes, and yeah, we've got the key, so I'll lock it back up, but that is unlocked. Yeah, it works alright again now. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Maybe one pin was stuck, so let's give it another go quickly. There we go, got it again. So there's no fluke the first time. There we go, let's see. No, I need to take the circlip off the back first. Without. Come on, you son of a bitch. Preferably without stabbing my hand off. I know what people will say. It took me longer to get the circlip off than it took me to actually pick it. That's got a long bit of space up here, so I'll have to watch it. Oh, lost the first pin there. Wow, some lovely pin work there. Wow, some beautiful work on there. I'm surprised they got that open so quickly. Excuse me, I made it look fairly straightforward, but that's got threading in 1, 3 and 5. Nothing in 2 and 4. But those pins are absolutely amazing. 3 is standard. I'll get a close up of all them when we're done. Well, that's a long pin. Well, I'm pretty sure that was in there this way. And looking at some of them, I'd say they may be lock noobs, check pins and ammunition pins, but I couldn't be sure. But yeah, let's get a closer look at them now. I'm trying to zoom in. Look at those, they're absolutely stunning. And I'll get them on some paper and we'll look at them in a couple of pictures at the end of the video. But thanks for sending this, Julian, and yeah, that's the second one done.